Okay, this is an interesting one, guys. So we need to calculate the sum of minimum values in each row. Okay, so it's not saying column, it's in each row. So this would be a 2D list. It would be something like what? Like this, 1 comma 2, something like that, and then it would have been like this. Okay, so it's not what? It's not column wise. It's not column wise, but it's row wise. Okay, it says for each row, right? So this is easy. Right, so remember we did something similar, uh, this, and then we can use list comprehension. Huh? So our results should be a sum, okay? So sum should be there. Okay, got it. And then what we need to do is, so let's just get that. So minimum of I for I in LST, right? So we got the minimum of it, right? We got the minimum of it. That's our list, right? And then we simply sum it. That should do the job, I guess, because for every list we are getting the minimum. Okay, so it seems like it passed everything. So let's see other people's solution as well. How do we submit this thing, man? It's taking a while. Okay, submit it. Okay, that's done. What the hell? I already submitted. All right, so now I should be able to see. Okay, that's what others have done as well. Okay, that's mine. So see, this guy has done something like that. Okay, this woman. So list, maybe a girl. Right, so it's a minimum of I and then she's just adding it up. Something similar, a little bit complicated. I don't know why, but yeah. But this one seems more like a DSA approach of doing it. Okay. So over here, something similar. Over here, something similar. Right, this is more of a DSA approach. Okay, that's what I did as well. So this is a little bit different, similar sort of solution. Okay, yeah, so that's how people are solving it. Huh? Okay, so I think this would be a better approach in my decision to go with Pythonic way when you are doing it with Python. But of course, if you're doing DSA way, of course, it has to be something like this. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye bye.